I just got off of work and I'm about to go home and change my clothes, and I have to go to Walmart because I literally leave for Florida tomorrow and I haven't even packed my bag yet. It's just not giving what it's supposed to give. I'm very much procrastination at the finest. So yeah, let me go home. Okay, I just changed my clothes and now I have to go to Subway because my mom wants me to pick up her food and bring it back to her. And then I will go to Walmart. So I will see you guys at Walmart. Okay, so I forgot to record inside of Walmart. And I have all of these clothes to pack and put away. And I'm here with Sanaya. Okay, now time to pack for real with this whole mountain of clothes. Pray for me. Good morning. It is literally the next day and I have to get in the shower because I accidentally fell asleep last night, but good thing I finished packing. So here's the fit. I'll show you when I get to the airport. And my suitcase, and I have to go. So see you at the airport. So we're here at the airport. Everybody's here. And we're in a parking garage, but same thing, we're in the airport. But I don't know if you can hear me right now, but I'll vlog when we're waiting for our flight.
Everything is just in dramatics with you, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, so we just checked in our bags. And we're about to go wait for our flights. Okay, so now we are waiting. And I will see you guys when I get on the actual plane. Okay, so we are on the flight. So mom and dad are like right over here. But yeah, I'm gonna get some plane footage. So I'll see you guys in the next report. Okay, so we just got off our flight. I'm kind of rushing a little bit because it's like 9:50 something. We have to be on our next flight by like 10 o'clock. And I'm a little stressed, so look how crazy it is in here. Like, ooh. We're seriously on a rush and we're walking like so fast.
Leg and that's it. We'll be there.
Okay, so now we're boarding our flight. It's gonna be like really short. It's gonna be like 45 minutes, I think. But that's better than driving down there. So yeah, I'll see you when I am in Florida. But it's raining and it's just really I put my hair into a bun and we got on like a little mini bus and we are about to go to the car rental place. Okay, so we are at the rental car place right now and I'm gonna show you guys the car that we're gonna get. We got an hour rental car. This is what it looks like. Cute, right? It's nice. So now we're about to load up the car and finally go to the resort. It's like almost 2 o'clock. And this is the interior. Black on black, my face. And then we have like more seats in the back, but they're putting the suitcases in there. Okay, so we have arrived at our resort. We were only going to be staying here for like only 2 days, and then I'm going to go to another resort. So I think we have found our room right here, and I'm going to show you guys inside. Okay, so now I'm going to give you guys a tour of our little resort. We have two sides. We have like the first condo and my parents have the second. So When you walk inside, this is what you see. The bedroom is over here, the bathroom is right here, and a little mini living room is right here. So this is the living room. Very small, cozy. Here is the bathroom and me. Hi. The freaking shower is so high, like, oh my gosh. And then we have all of this, the bathroom, me again, hi. And then lastly, don't mind my book bag over there. This is our bedroom, really nice. A little closet right here. And our view is not really the best. Literally, our view is just like, I can't even move these. Okay, it's just, yeah, that's our view. It's grass or plants in the way. So yeah, that is our little mini condo. Okay, so now we're going out to dinner. Don't worry, I'm gonna be doing my hair, but I'm gonna be meeting one of my friends there. So see y'all there, and when I'm ready. Okay, so right now we are in downtown Disney, and we are about to go out to eat. Oh, I look even worse than I said I was going to. Oh, that's not funny. Okay, so now we are at the restaurant, and I'm with, Kanaya and Genesis and Karen. So yeah, we're about to eat, and I'm really embarrassed because I'm not dressed. Everybody else around me is dressed, and I'm literally in sweatpants and Crocs.
They don't want to give you no kind of internet.
Okay, so we got our food. Okay,
I haven't watched it all
now
day.
we are going to go to Publix because I need to get some stuff. But look at the sunset. Pretty. Oh my gosh, the sunset looks even better on camera. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm literally looking for my dad because I literally turned my back and he was gone, and this is just really embarrassing. Oh, he's cute. But anyways, where is he? Oh, I see him. Straight ahead. Straight ahead, and he is fast. Lord have mercy, I know. Oh, I can't wait to go back to the resort, and I'm gonna work out and take a shower and go to bed, and that's the plans for the night, baby. Okay, so I'm done with my workout. I wanted to do something that was like quick and easy. Well, it really wasn't easy. It was hard. I'm like kind of sweating, but something not too hardcore since I am on vacation. I'm tired. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a transition into me going into my pajamas and like showered up and all ready for bed. So wait, hold on. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, ready for bed. But again, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.